Performance Squad, it's your boy Coach Riley with Riley Performance, and as you guys can see, we are at the beach today. It is a great day for a good workout. I'm gonna show you guys some workouts. You know, we gotta stay active, y'all. This is a nice day for a workout. We just want to get outside, get some fresh air. I didn't get a chance this summer. I didn't get a chance to go to the beach this summer, so we're gonna end it off first week of September with the beach. I'm gonna show you guys everything, show you guys the scenery, everything. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright y'all, so you see we just walking down to the beach right now. Got a little view in the background. It's a nice day for the beach. We're in Savannah, Georgia. Just nice little vlog, nice little workout, y'all. We don't always have to be in the gym. We don't always have to be, you know, working out with all this fancy equipment. We just at the beach, outside, get a little workout in, talk to y'all a little bit. You know, we gonna get it going here. Hope y'all having a blessed Saturday. This is a great day. It's gonna be a good one here. Can't wait to show y'all. Can't believe how good this weather looks out here. This is like, what, 90-degree weather out here, y'all? Man, this is a great day for a workout. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get it going here. Performance Squad, it's your boy Coach Riley with Riley Performance. We're at the beach today. We gotta get workout for y'all today. We're gonna get it in. Without further ado, let's go! We are at Savannah Beach right now. We're gonna get a great workout in for you guys today. We have a full body workout, no equipment needed. We're gonna give you all the motions here. I'm gonna show you guys the beach. I'm gonna show you guys the workouts. We're just gonna get it in today. We're gonna have some fun. So let's get it. All right, so that was a wrap today from the beach. Got a great workout in, got a good scenery, hit the water. Now we're gonna get some grub. We're in Savannah, Georgia, y'all. We gotta go get some good food. See y'all in a minute.